Dear Indian friends and colleagues, I am Panos Leledakis, an expert in the topic of risk management, digital transformation, internet marketing strategy, and new technologies in the risk management industry. I have invented two innovative software for risk assessment by implementing the science of risk management, artificial intelligence, and extensive neuroscience research on risk perception and decision making. I am also the president and CEO of IFA Academy, International Financial Architects, an educational and research organization focusing on the global risk management market, specialized in the education and training of business consultants with presence in Canada, New York, Great Britain, Greece, and Cyprus. I want to thank Mr. Opesh Singh for his initiative to organize this conference, which is going to help Indian exporters to identify and cover the risks that can be found in the global markets. I strongly believe that together with Opesh Group, we will bring serious and positive impact to Indian firms, and we will help them grow and expand their business in European and African markets. I will be delighted to meet any one of you and discuss business opportunities in depth at SIRI 4th Auditorium in New Delhi on February 29, 2020. See you all there.